At the time that we met the level 12 guys, we had decided to rebuild and re-architect our platform so that it would be more extensible and more scalable and essentially more bulletproof for the types of customers we were attracting. We had a lot of exposure and a lot of potential risk if we didn't do it right. And again, we were making great progress, but we needed someone to kind of validate our efforts and guide us kind of to the last 30% of the work we needed completed. And so we were not traveling at the velocity or the speed or the expertise that we needed because we already had customers on an existing platform. So where we had already started the process and we needed to finish the process, we were unsure about how it was going to end up. So we were kind of making our way through the dark a little bit and hoping for the best outcomes. And I think what we needed to do was find somebody that could help us with the proper expertise and guidance and kind of have a flashlight in the dark for us to get through that time. Randy is helping us not only continue to guide new ideas that come up, but also to shape how they should be deployed and prioritized in the business based on user behaviors. So those are things you just cannot buy from much larger outsourced companies. The platform that Randy helped us build is working in mines in Santiago, Chile, and nuclear power plants in Georgia, and in the Tesla factory in Sparks, Nevada with Panasonic. And so what we accomplished was something else. I know that it was successful because the platform is stable. I know that they did an amazing job because we continue to want to work with them. And we are continuing to look for work to integrate and extend our platform to other third-party platforms as well. And they're helping us integrate some of those things to products like Salesforce.com or SAP, etc. And so we need that outsourced development help and someone that's trusted, knows what they're doing, can execute quickly, do what they say they're going to do. And it's just been a terrific relationship.